the Congress, the Samajwadi Party is also targeting the BJP. Samajwadi Party says it appears BJP has their own constitution.
बीजेपी स्वयं अपने आप में एक संविधान है। वो देश के बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर के बनाए संविधान नियमों कानूनों को नहीं मानती है। इस तरह की चीजें लगातार सामने देखने को मिलती हैं, लेकिन मैं इतना जानता हूं कि बीजेपी कुछ भी कह ले, कोई तुगलक का नाम बदल ले, अकबर रोड का नाम बदल ले, जिस भी रोड का नाम बदलना बदल ले, तुम्हारे दिल में इस देश के आम नागरिक, जिसको हम पीडीए परिवार कहते हैं, उसके लिए कोई जगह नहीं है। पिछड़ों के लिए कोई सम्मान नहीं है, और आपको जो हमारे दलित कम्युनिटी है उनके लिए कोई सम्मान नहीं है। उनके आइकॉन के लिए आपको कोई किसी तरीके की चीजें आप लोगों ने नहीं करी हैं।
We have Niyamika now on the broadcast with us. Niyamika, Samajwadi Party and the Congress both hitting out at the BJP, saying does the Bharatiya Janata Party have their own constitution, and the Congress saying this is nothing but a bit to divert attention from real issues.
Well, indeed, and various Congress leaders have reacted over the same, as they are saying that it is basically a tactics on the part of the BJP to divert from the real issues, because the Congress party is also saying that BJP has nothing else to do instead, rather than focusing upon the literacy rate, rather than focusing upon the unemployment rate. They are just focused upon changing the name of the roads and the streets, and that is the only reason why such kind of move is being taken on the part of the Union Minister Krishnapal Gurjar, as well as the Rajya Sabha MP of the BJP, Mr. Dinesh Sharma, as well as for that reason, not just this, but in fact the Delhi Congress leader and ex-member of Parliament, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, has also reacted over the same, and he said that BJP doesn't follow the ideals which are being given by Swami Vivekanand. They are just naming these roads on the name of Swami Vivekanand, but whatever teachings he had given to the entire country, whether it is about the caste or not bringing religion into politics, that is not being followed by the BJP at all. As he has also mentioned that how the BJP is only doing politics in the name of religion and caste, and that is the reason why he had said that it doesn't matter even if some of the BJP members change the address of their residences in the name of Swami Vivekanand. On the other side, it is the Samajwadi Party who has responded very sharply.
Right, so the opposition hitting out at the BJP over the name change controversy. Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now and shifting our focus to Tamil Nadu.